Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick ramen at home. First, gather your instant ramen and any extra ingredients you'd like to include. Next, boil 2 cups of water in a small pot or a microwave-safe bowl. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your ramen noodles. Let them cook for about 3 minutes, or until they are tender and ready for the next step. This simple start ensures a delicious base for your meal. Once your noodles are tender, it's time to add the flavor. Stir in the seasoning packet that came with your ramen. For an extra boost of protein and richness, consider dropping in a perfectly soft-boiled egg. You can also toss in some fresh vegetables, like a handful of spinach or some chopped green onions, to really elevate the taste and add a nice texture. Now that your ramen is perfectly cooked and seasoned, it's time to serve it up. Carefully pour the hot ramen into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or a small drizzle of chili oil for a little kick. Your delicious, homemade quick ramen is now ready to be enjoyed immediately. Here are a few pro tips to make your ramen even better. For a richer, more concentrated broth, try using slightly less water than the package suggests. A dash of soy sauce or even a slice of American cheese can add a surprisingly delicious and unique flavor. And hey, while you're making life better with delicious ramen, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check out the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.